Hello, stock traders. I hope all of you are having a good day so far trading on the market. I thought I'd come to you today and just share some of the picks that I made in a private Discord in the last couple of days and also this morning. Anyway, I thought you might be interested and I so appreciate you tuning in. But before I get going, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you have not done so before, consider subscribing so you can be notified when a new video comes out. All right, so the market started off extremely bearish this morning, but we are starting to see a turnaround, and some of the indices are really starting to pick up some speed as we seem to have hit some support levels. I'm going to cover that. We're going to talk about all those kind of things. I'm going to give you two stocks with insider activities and also two stocks that are energy stocks that have a lot of momentum. And right now, that is the sector that is going crazy, and that is the oil and gas sector. The energy sector, that is the sector you need to be paying attention to. And so let's get right into it. Here we go. All right, so let's start by talking about one of the picks that I wanted to give, an energy pick, and this is Weatherford, ticker symbol WFRD. And so far today, it has continued its run. Look at this crazy run. This is the daily chart, and I know it's way overbought, but I think there's more room to go because all the energy stocks are really squeezing some people out. And so there are no shorts left in this thing, at least I don't think so. And this stock has just been moving upwards with the entire indice, and I expect this to continue. And so this is a stock that I like a lot, called it out in the Discord actually yesterday, but I expect it to continue to move forward. I think it has more upside as we go. Analysts think it's worth an average of $107.33. So, okay, a little bit of upside here, but I like this for a nice move, and we have all the moving averages stacked to the upside. So you can see that we have the 13 in yellow, in white we have the 20 EMA, and in red we have the 48 EMA. And so all those stacked to the upside, looking very good. Has a previous high here, and it got kind of rejected from that, but expecting a move continued upwards. Another one is Helix Energy, ticker symbol HLX. Now this stock has some minimal upside. Looks like $12.67 is the average on that. So it's only about a 20% upside from where it's at, according to analysts. But all of the moving averages are stacked to the positive. I know we're way overbought, but again, oil and gas, energy stocks are what is moving. Not clean energy, but kind of the dirty stuff. So anyway, I kind of feel like an oil profiteer, but you know, what do you do when this is what's good in the market right at this moment? It seems to be that this is the only thing that's been on a sustained rally, which is good and bad for the overall market. All right, let's get into two stocks with insider activity. The very first one is Energy Transfer, tickers. I can't talk today. Ticker symbol ET. An Energy Transfer has had some big insider activity over the last couple of days. I expect this run to continue even with this insider activity. Had this move down, was able to catch this nice bounce here. We are above all the moving averages, stacked to the upside. Directors are buying up shares, and so they're buying up that big yield. And so this also has a great yield, and it'd be a good idea maybe even to hold it. So I like it for a lot of reasons. I think that this is one that will continue to move upwards, especially if we see more insider activity. This again is in that very hot sector. And finally today, I have the Porch Group, ticker symbol PRCH. And the Porch Group, you can see it is way down, but it had some significant insider activity by a director, and it was very bullish. Analysts think that this stock is worth $4.28. I can't believe it's even this cheap. This has a ton of upside, even with interest rates going up. This is a group that I think that can continue to do well. As long as the insiders are buying, we have, to me, that's very positive. I like how the MACD has crossed over here. There's lots of different things bouncing off of that 30 RSI, now moving upwards. Now, all of the moving averages are stacked to the downside, so that's the one thing to really watch on this. This is what makes this one a lot more risky, but we called it out early this morning when it was just barely up after insider activity, and man, it has shot up. It's up 14.61% on the day. So far, making some great money on this, and we shall see if we get more insider activity as we get going. But I like this stock for a continued move, and if you're looking for something, I know that this one would be the riskiest of all of them by far, and that is because the moving averages are stacked to the downside. But we do have some different things here. So we got some divergence here happening on the MACD. So it is possible, you can see here on the moving averages crossover here. We got a positive cross here. So lots of different things that I like on this one, moving upwards, especially if we get more insider activity, paying attention to those moving average. I wish you all the best in the stock market. Please reach out to me with any comments or questions that you have. I'm more than happy to at least make a stab at it. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a stock investor who's made a lot of money investing in different stocks. If you are interested at all, I do have my Discord down below, so you can get access to that through our Patreon. So you have to be a Patreon member to get access through that. But if you want call outs every morning and you're interested in what I have to say, then you will want to be a part of that. I wish you all the best in the stock market, and Raythoven out.